Mommy, I pick jump plum. How y'all doing? Good morning, my lovely peoples. How are y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay and I do vlogs, lifestyle and beauty videos. And if you're interested in that kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Today is January the 4th, 2021. So today is the first day of school for the Easter term. However, today I don't really have any class, right? But I do have some, because I've said this in many of my videos, I work like in the exams department at my workplace, and today I have some work to do. So I'm gonna go up to my workplace and get some papers and stuff, and then get back down here at my house and do some work. So that's what's on the agenda for today. So it's currently 8:13. I just started registration. That's fine. And then after I get back, I'm not sure if I'll eat breakfast before I go or after, and then I am gonna get that done. I need to edit my video for tomorrow because today's Monday, and this video you guys will see about Thursday, but there will be a video up on Tuesday. So if you have not yet watched that, go ahead and watch that. I've already filmed it and everything. I've filmed the video for Tuesday and for Saturday, so those are already filmed, but they're not edited, so I need to edit them. So yeah, I need to figure out where the mic is on this camera, because sometimes I hold the camera and cover the mic, and it's annoying when you're editing and realize that the audio is muffled. So yeah, anyways, let us get into this day. Have a great day, guys. Hi guys, so I totally neglected you guys yesterday. And so today is Tuesday. We have Mom and Shan here. We're eating breakfast that Shan made. But yes, let us start this day.
And Mommy got fired because she didn't get up and make breakfast.
Fire because she didn't make breakfast. So yeah. So I'm finished class and I'm currently doing some other work because I need to be at school by 12. So it's like 11:04 and I'm going to need to leave home, get a taxi and go to my workplace to get there by 12. So I'm gonna get something to eat for lunch because I ain't gonna buy myself nothing on the road. So I'm gonna do that. Currently trying to sort out some CXC stuff, but feeling answer. So I'm gonna just put this in my bag. Hi guys, so it is currently I think it's about 2:30 Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday. I don't know the days anymore, people, and I've with me. So it's 2:30 Wednesday afternoon and I'm supposed to upload this vlog tomorrow. So if you guys are seeing this on Thursday, then that means when I edit there's enough footage and I don't need to put any more. But I might film a little more tomorrow and see if I can probably, you know, add it to this. But I did not do much today. I'm gonna watch plays. I might be able to like put that in it, I don't know. But yeah guys, I promised myself that I was gonna upload Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays, and on Tuesday and Saturday I would do like sit down videos, challenges and so, and then on Thursdays I would do like vlogs. Look like I forgot to change it because I didn't want to have like 2 sit down videos or 2 challenge videos behind the other. But I do have a video that I was supposed to plan, that I plan to put up on Saturday, but seems like I'm gonna have to put it up tomorrow. So if you guys saw that on Thursday, then that's why. But yeah, anyways guys, this rambling and all, so it's currently Thursday afternoon. I'm starting this vlog off. Yeah, I'm tired, but I just woke up from a nap. Yeah, that was where I was in that little section there, and then I was watching some videos, but now I need to go and cook my dinner because they're cooking soup. So hey guys, we have sister doing government work and she lost one of my highlighter. What's wrong?
I know me do it, me not know if me take up, me not know.
Alright guys, so she's stressing over a highlighter. I'm gonna have a snack until them decide to give me a spot in the kitchen so I can do my shrimp and pasta. Yeah, drinks. So I'm gonna be, for the sauce, I'm gonna be using this Tostitos chunky salsa mix. So basically I just scooped a few or a little in it. It has pretty much all the ingredients that the thing I was following says, so I don't need to put anything else in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the pasta in it in a few and then cover it and let it cook along with the shrimp. So just gonna let it saute a little bit more. And this is the shrimp, people. It's getting tiny. Yeah. So guys, this is it. This is it. When I put it in the plate with the vegetable, you guys will see. Hi mom, how's my shrimp? Nice. She don't want the pasta, what she want the shrimp. So fair shrimp, I want teeth one more, see. Hey guys, so it's Friday. Hey. I was gonna go to school, but I'm not about us, so this is why I have on this. Hey mom. I'm currently trying to find some new songs for my phone, so checking out some new songs. So if you know any nice gospel, whether it is R&B gospel, worship gospel, rap gospel, I listen to them all, so just hit me up and let me know. Not you. Hey guys. Mommy a bit jump plum. How y'all doing? I want to make my walk see people and ground. You should put jump plum in and packet people. I could have put in what you have already. Give me man.
We can't use.
Hi guys, so it's like currently 12:36 p.m. I have a meeting at 1 and I'm currently heating over my, what you call it, I eat over the leftovers from yesterday's dinner for my lunch because I don't know what else to eat. I'm currently also watching YouTube, so yeah. I need pepper. I wanna not smell the pepper right now. But I don't know how I end up making some pepper, but it's nice, but it's peppered. I didn't even get to wash. I just don't know how I've been feeling so lazy from morning. But yeah, I'm gonna heat this up, eat it, and don't know what else, but yeah.